Hey, Roofstock buyers, this is Pablo in Memphis. Welcome back. I'm the broker for 901 Realtors, and we're happy to represent Roofstock in the Select Agent Network in West Tennessee. The question of the moment is, how much do you pay, Pablo, for a property in your market? What do you pay in property taxes? All right, so property taxes in Shelby County is simple if you understand three very specific numbers to keep in mind. Number one, you buy the property, we call that acquisition price or, purchase price. That's what you pay for the property. So you got that number in mind. The number that we're going to base out of is what the county thinks your property is worth. That's the appraisal value. Not your appraisal, but the county's appraisal, okay? And out of that appraisal, the county will charge you on a residential property, 25% of the appraisal value is your assessment value. So you got purchase price, appraisal, assessment. Okay, on the assessment, say the property you bought for $100,000. You think it's worth $100,000 and the county appraised it for $100,000. Then you will pay a $25,000 assessment value. That is what you're taxed on the assessment. How much is the assessment? 25% of the appraisal value. How much you pay in taxes? You're going to pay $6 for every $100 of assessment value. Okay? It's actually $6.16. It's $3.45 for the county and maybe another $3 for the city, but we'll just keep maybe $2.41 for the city, but we'll just keep it a round number at $6 per $100 of assessment value. So on a $100,000 property, you are paying taxes on a $25,000 assessment. And so 6 times 25, you're looking at about $1,500 in taxes that you're going to pay on a $25,000 assessment, aka $100,000 appraised value. All right. So if you know those three numbers, you're going to be fine. So how much money do you pay? You pay $6 on the $100 of the assessment value. Now, here's the trick. If you buy a property that is commercial, you pay 40% of the appraisal value. In other words, your assessment is on 40% of the appraisal, not 25%. Keep that in mind if you're thinking of buying a duplex in our market, because our market taxes a duplex as a commercial property, not as a residential property. So just because you have two properties or two doors that are making cash flow may not mean you're making a better return, because now you're paying almost twice the tax rate that you would if you were to buy two little tiny single properties. So keep that in mind when you're thinking about buying duplexes, triplexes, fourplexes, multiplexes. They are taxed commercially. That's 40% of the assessment, not 25% of the assessment. All right, I hope that helps you. $6 per 100 on the assessment, on the tax rate for Memphis and the surrounding areas. There's different cities in Shelby County, Bartlett, Cotterville, Germantown, Millington, and there's parts of Memphis area that you don't pay any property taxes on the city, but you're all paying the county taxes. I hope that helped you. If not, you can gladly call me anytime. This is Pablo in Memphis. You can call me or text me or check us out, our 901.realtor. Again, thank you for your time, and I hope this helped you understand our local tax code for properties in our market. God bless.